You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A village name in Ukraine. And yeah, a lot of people struggle with this one or mispronounce it. Many say it as Robotyne or Robotyne. In Ukrainian, it is said something along the lines of Robotyne, Robotyne. Okay, so you got a T sound and a ne sound at the end, not ne, Robotyne, no, Robotyne, or you could say in English as Robotyne. It's easy. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.